After
This journey begins with open agricultural land under the soft morning sunlight, calm and untouched, waiting to be cultivated. Healthy pineapple farming starts with sandy loam soil that is dry, fertile, and well-drained. Farmers begin clearing bushes and weeds from the field, removing unwanted plants and vegetation. Old crop residues are carefully cleared and piled aside to reduce the risk of pests and disease. Soon, the field becomes clean and open, fully ready for cultivation. The land is then plowed deeply for the first time, turning the soil and improving root penetration. A second round of plowing follows, breaking soil clods and improving texture. After plowing, the field is leveled carefully to ensure uniform planting and proper water flow. Close-up views show loose, well-prepared soil, ideal for pineapple roots. Farmers then mark drainage lines across the field, followed by digging channels to remove excess rainwater. Raised beds are formed between these channels, and a top view reveals neatly aligned beds prepared for planting. To enrich the soil, organic manure such as compost or cow dung is prepared beside the field. Farmers spread the manure evenly across the beds. Essential chemical fertilizers like TSP and MOP are measured carefully and mixed thoroughly into the soil. After fertilization, the soil becomes nutrient-rich and ready to support healthy pineapple growth. Next, healthy pineapple suckers are selected as planting material. Medium-sized suckers are chosen to ensure strong and uniform plants. Each sucker is closely inspected to confirm it is disease-free. A fungicide treatment solution is prepared, and the suckers are dipped to protect them from fungal infections before planting. Rows are marked using ropes or sticks to maintain proper spacing. Plant-to-plant distance is measured accurately. Small planting holes are dug on the raised beds, and plants are placed upright into the soil. Soil is pressed firmly around the base of each plant to provide support. A wide view shows the pineapple field freshly planted and evenly arranged. Light irrigation is applied immediately after planting. The soil absorbs water around the plant base, supporting early root development. Mulching materials such as straw and dry leaves are prepared and spread between the rows. Mulching helps retain moisture, control weeds, and regulate soil temperature. The mulched field now looks protected and well managed. Young pineapple plants begin to grow steadily. Over time, weeds appear naturally between rows, and farmers remove them manually to protect the plants. The field is kept clean to ensure healthy early growth. Urea fertilizer is measured carefully and applied as top dressing around each plant. The fertilizer is lightly mixed into the soil, supporting continued growth. As nutrition improves, pineapple leaves grow thicker, greener, and stronger. During summer, regular irrigation keeps the plants healthy. After rainfall, excess water drains smoothly through the drainage channels, preventing waterlogging. Farmers regularly inspect pineapple leaves for pests. Early signs of disease, such as leaf spots, are carefully observed. Organic spray solutions are prepared and applied evenly to protect plants from pests and disease. As plants grow, extra suckers develop around the main plant. These excess suckers are removed carefully so the main plant remains strong and productive. The result is a healthy, well-balanced pineapple plant. Once the plants mature, they are ready for flowering. A flower induction solution, such as ethyl or calcium carbide, is prepared and applied carefully to the plant crown. Soon, the entire field is treated evenly to ensure uniform flowering. The first pineapple flowers begin to emerge from the center of the plants. Close-up views reveal the unique pineapple flower. Wide shots show the field full of flowers, marking an important stage of growth. Tiny pineapple fruits begin to form. Over time, the fruits grow larger and healthier. Close-up views show green, developing pineapples. Leaves are placed over the fruits to protect them from strong sunlight. As maturity approaches, the fruit skin gradually turns yellow. Farmers check ripeness by aroma and appearance. Using a sharp knife, freshly harvested fruits are carefully cut from the plant. Freshly harvested fruits are collected in baskets. After harvest, fruits are sorted directly in the field. Healthy fruits are separated from damaged ones and placed into plastic crates. The crates are then loaded carefully and prepared for transportation. New suckers are collected from harvested plants for future cultivation.
Once the pineapple reaches full maturity, it is carefully cut from the plant using a sharp blade.
After harvesting, the pineapples are sorted directly in the field. Only healthy, undamaged fruits are selected and
Before heading to the factory, the pineapples are carefully arranged to prevent bruising. Proper preparation at this stage.
Fresh, ripe pineapples arrive at a modern food processing factory in large crates. Using forklifts, the fruit is unloaded carefully in a clean, organized industrial environment, ready to begin its transformation into premium dried pineapple products. The first step is quality inspection. Pineapples move along a conveyor belt where trained workers closely examine each fruit. Ripeness, color, and size are checked to ensure only the best pineapples continue in the process. Any defective or damaged pineapples are removed during rejection sorting. Advanced mechanical systems help separate unsuitable fruit with precision, maintaining strict quality standards from the very beginning. Next, the selected pineapples enter the industrial washing stage. High-pressure water jets thoroughly clean the fruit inside stainless steel washing tunnels, removing dirt and surface impurities. After washing, the pineapples pass through a food-grade sanitizing system. A controlled spray ensures hygienic safety, protecting the product before further processing. The crown removal stage follows. Automated cutting machines remove the leafy tops with sharp, precise blades, preparing the fruit for trimming. At the base trimming station, the bottom ends of the pineapples are cleanly cut by rotating industrial cutters, creating a uniform shape for peeling. During the peeling process, automated machines smoothly remove the thick outer skin. As the peel falls away, the golden pineapple flesh is revealed beneath. The hard inner core is then extracted using mechanical coring systems. This step improves texture and ensures consistent quality in the final product. Next, the pineapples are sliced. High-speed slicing machines cut the fruit into uniform rings or slices, moving seamlessly along overhead conveyors. Sensors check each slice as it passes through the inspection system, ensuring consistent size and even drying later in the process. To prevent browning, the slices enter an anti-browning dip. The pineapple moves gently through a liquid bath that helps preserve color and freshness. Excess moisture is removed during the draining stage. Vibrating mesh conveyors allow water droplets to fall away, preparing the slices for drying. Robotic arms then arrange the pineapple slices neatly onto drying trays. Each piece is placed with precise spacing to ensure uniform airflow. The loaded trays move into large industrial dryers. Warm air circulates through the tunnel as the dehydration process begins. Inside the drying chamber, moisture slowly evaporates from the pineapple slices. Over time, the fruit shrinks and develops its chewy, dried texture. After drying, moisture testing is performed. A technician uses a digital food analyzer to confirm the slices meet exact moisture standards. The dried pineapple is then cooled on stainless steel racks. Gentle airflow and controlled temperatures stabilize the product. Finally, a last quality inspection is carried out. Workers examine the dried pineapple's color, texture, and shape,